Before replacing a turbocharger, it is important to conduct a thorough diagnostic check of the engine systems. A lack of power, noisy operation, excessive smoke, or oil consumption could result from a faulty fuel injection system, restricted or blocked air filter, a damaged exhaust system, or a lubrication problem. Also, check the engine crankcase pressure. A higher than normal reading requires your immediate attention. For more information on this topic, please refer to our website. If the diagnostic check does not uncover any obvious cause, make sure that an extensive troubleshooting analysis is completed on key areas such as foreign objects, lack of lubrication, oil contamination, overspeeding of the turbo, and excessive temperature. This is important because turbo damage can often be a symptom of an underlying problem rather than the cause itself. Our website has more detailed information on this subject.